Many of the Fire TV Stick users face the storage running out problem due to they install the big games like Asphalt in their internal storage of the Fire TV Stick. If you have pen drive or any external storage like hard disks, then you can connect it via USB host cable or USB Y splitter to your Fire TV Stick and you can copy paste file there. But if you want to install application games from the App Store or sideload APK to the external storage, basically pen drive or hard disks, then you may not be able to directly after inserting, because the direct option or whatever you insert the pen drive there, that is going to be a copy paste file sharing mode. So in this video I am going to talk about how you can install new apps or APK sideload from the App Store to the external drive for your Fire TV Stick. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do after inserting the pen drive or hard disk, you have to go to the My Fire TV and then the USB storage, and you have to format to internal storage. You have to click it. It will format your external drive from the storage device to internal memory where you can install applications. You have to click it and have to wait some time. It will format your USB drive to the internal drive. So the device can only be then used with the Fire TV Stick. You can't use with your any desktop or mobile this pen drive. So here you can see, then if you go to the manage install application, here you can see the USB only application is showing. No application right now is installed. So go to the third party side loaded APK. So App.tv is third party app, but here you can see the app menu. There is no option to move to external storage or anything. So that's mean the external apps cannot be, which is installed, cannot be moved to the pen drive. So right now I'm going to install new application. This is MX Player TV I have installing from the App Store, which is the Amazon App Store. So here you can go to the app manage application and go to the MX Player application which I recently installed. So after converting to the internal storage pen drive, I have installed this application, but surprisingly MX Player TV does not install or do not install by default to the pen drive. So that's mean all application will not install to the pen drive. Basically the App Store apps or the default application store app will not be installed to the external drive. But here I am now side loading one APK. This is CX File Explorer. This I am installing as from the APK. So right now the CX File Explorer installed, and here you can see the USB icon is there inside the right side of the app name, and here is also option is came that move to internal storage. That's mean the side loaded APK here installed at the pen drive, not the internal drive. There is option you can convert or transfer the external storage or pen drive app to the internal storage, but you cannot transfer internal app to the external storage. That's one problem is there. But application from the App Store, which is the default application store of the Amazon App Store, the apps cannot be directly installed to the pen drive at all. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and for more videos of Fire TV Stick, subscribe to this channel.